Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. And you guys, look at this. Do y'all see this? Looks natural, huh? It's crochet, y'all. I went and let me pull it up, because y'all know I keep stuff beside me. I went and I got the Bobbi Boss New Locs 36-inch extra long. And I bought 6 packs, y'all. I did not use 6 packs in my head, but I bought 6 packs. I bought 5 packs of number 1, and then I bought 1 pack of number 4, which is this beautiful brown color, because I just wanted to put a little splash of color in there, you know. This was $17.99 at my local beauty supply store, y'all. I could have got it for cheaper online, but I had this idea of doing this to my hair in my head, and I wanted to go, and you know, I had to be Miss Speedy Gonzalez, and I went and I bought it. But this was $17.99, and with me getting 6 packs, it was like 100 and I think $7 and some change. Don't quote me on it, math is kind of bad. But I ended up probably using two packs of the black, because each pack came with 26 of the locks in them, and I ended up using 2 packs of the black and probably half of the brown, because I just had the brown like put in random spots. I did a little small tutorial of how I put them in, because y'all, I'm not about that whole wrap life with the other with the curly hair or with the connect-along hair. I tried it before, didn't work out for me. I wasn't about to waste my money and do all of that, especially not when I already spent all that money on these. Y'all, these are long 36 inches, y'all, and I'm what, 5'6", and y'all, these are coming below my butt. Not gonna show y'all how long they come, because your girl ain't got pants on. I'm at home, I never have on pants, y'all, just to be completely honest. I never have on pants. But y'all, just stay tuned so you can see how I actually installed these, y'all. I think the method that I use, because this is my first time doing anything like this, any locks like this, because normally I'll do like a braid pattern and put crochet in, but this is the first time that I individually crocheted into my hair, y'all. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm pretty sure some other YouTubers have the same method that I do have, y'all, and if they do, big ups to you, kudos to you, because this method that I did to put these in, y'all, love it, love it. When I say it's easy, it's lightweight, takes no time. Easy, lightweight, takes no time. So y'all, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure also, why y'all ain't push that notification bell yet so y'all can be notified next time I upload? I need y'all to go ahead and get that together. I need y'all to push that notification bell. I need y'all to push that subscribe button, and I need y'all to push that like. Boost me up, boost me up, boost me up. All right, y'all, peace. All right, y'all, so y'all are catching me right now wrapping my hair around, y'all. This is the third to last braid that I have to wrap, and so y'all, you can see the look of just exhaustion in my face right now, y'all. But I wanted to start the camera right here so you guys can see how I'm wrapping it down. I'm just opening up the new lock, and I am just intertwining it with my hair, making sure that the full lock is just covering my the little braid that I had, because I did braid my hair down into box braids in order to achieve this look. And then I'm just palm rolling that in, y'all. Just palm rolling it, and you see how that came out. Can't see no braid. Yes. So what's done in your hair? Get the lint out. Get the lint out. We don't want to twist no lint into our hair. So you guys, I am going to be taking the new lock, and I'm going to show y'all how I'm doing, how I started off. And I go to that crochet loop that's at the top, and I just basically do a little unloop the loop. And then I am going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to insert it into my braid, and I'm going to pull that loop through for the crochet, the little crochet lock. I'm going to pull that through, and then I'm going to tighten it up at the root. And then I am going to start unraveling that lock. This is what you see me doing here. Is unraveling that lock and wrapping it around my braid, y'all. I'm just gonna wrap it up. Wrap it up. So I'm just gonna be wrapping it around wrapping the lock hair around my braid, because y'all, I'm not too sure of how to wrap it with the other hair. You know how most people, they take the curly hair or the Marley twist hair or the Cuban twist hair and they wrap it. Y'all, I ain't skilled like that. And plus, after spending $17.99 on this hair, honey, who not I. Not I, says the cat. But that is what I am doing right here, just wrapping it on down. And yeah, again, y'all, you can see that I'm tired. My face is oily, y'all. It's all around time for me to go to sleep, y'all. I'm tired. I was tired, boss. I was tired, boss. But yeah, y'all, that is how you do the little loop-de-loop wrap, y'all. I'm not a professional, so, and then I'm gonna palm roll it right here. But y'all, I'm not a professional, but this is just how I did it. And as you can see, I didn't loop the loop. I didn't wrap enough, so I'm going back in and making sure all of my hair is covered and palm rolling it. But y'all, I am not a professional. This is just how I did my hair and how I was able to do it. And y'all, that is the sign of a woman who is tired. And I'm on my last little lock and I'm happy. So y'all, again, this is how I do it. I unravel that loop, pull it through with the crochet needle, and then I tighten it on my root, and then I unravel that lock and I start wrapping around my natural hair, y'all. And this is just a redundant step. It goes back to what I did before. Just wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up. And that takes us to the end, you guys. I just added a little accessories, little gold, little filigree, little hoops, as well as some seashells. And I have some golden seashells in there, as well as some golden feathers, y'all. And this is just the end look, y'all. I am pleased with the way these turned out. For this to have been my first time doing a style like this on myself, y'all, I'm just overjoyed with the way it came out. It's really cute, really lightweight. And y'all, this is gonna stay in my hair for 3 months. I kid you not. I'm keeping this hair for 3 months for this to be 36 inches, and it taking me this long to put it in, y'all. 3 months. It has to stay in for a minimum 3 months. I ain't taking these things out, honey. You could go ahead and call me Bob Marley's daughter, because I'm keeping these things in. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share my video, y'all.